Good afternoon, everyone. We'll be just starting.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. We'll just start in a couple of minutes. We'll start at 2:05 at most. So you all are requested to turn off your camera and just wait for 5 more minutes. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ishan Sharma. What's your doubt? Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
you all can turn off your cameras. Yes, MS Bhatia. Are you having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can put down your hand. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good, af- good
Good
afternoon. Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
So
afternoon, sir.
now we are starting with our event. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls and other build windmills. Innovation has always helped humanity venture into the unknown and advance itself into a more promising future. ACM or Association of Computing Machinery brings together computing researchers and professionals to inspire dialogue, resources, and address the profession's collective voice through strong leadership, promotion, and the Chitkara University ACM Student Chapter is an officially recognized society which aims to create a tech-oriented atmosphere for the students and devise innovative possibilities for all. We welcome you all in an hour filled with knowledge and delight as we begin the hour of code. We present a series of games where students will solve problems and derive solutions after understanding some basics of computer programming. The games are designed to show the implementation and methodology of a computer, how it runs, codes, and produces an output. Following the initiative of central government in promoting computing programming through the National Education Policy, we firmly believe in the value of offering coding and logical languages to school-going children. Let us begin with the rules and regulations. Everyone is requested to keep their mics off until asked. Please be interactive during the sessions. Doubts are always welcome. Please refrain from doing any unwanted, inappropriate actions. The games are a medium for teaching. Everyone is advised to focus on learning. Henceforth, proceed according to your grasping power and understanding. Do not forget to have fun. So, our first game is named Minecraft. The concepts cleared in this game are looping, for loop. For loops are used for sequential traversal, for example, traversing a list or string or array, etc. While loop. While loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in program is executed. Guys, so now I would be sharing a link. So you need to log in or start the game.
पानी हो गया चाहे तेरे चक्कर में
Guys, the link for the game is in the chat box. So kindly open that link so that we can start. Yes, Devdutt. Hello. Has everyone opened the link?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
sir.
No problem. No problem. Take your time, guys. Yes, Ramandeep. Yes, sir. Yes, Ramandeep. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can type in the chat box. Doubts are always a welcome.
Sir,
Yes.
it's the when we online on the link it's saying rotate your device. How we can rotate the device?
Okay, from the notification bar, you need to open the auto rotate.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, Sia, are you having any doubt?
Sir,
No.
Yes.
sir,
Yes, 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 please.
sir, we can choose any character.
Yeah, yeah, sure. You can choose any character of your choice.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'm starting with the video. It will give you a tutorial about the game.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Sir, I'm feeling a problem again.
Yes, please. What type of problem are you facing?
I don't know how to rotate the device.
Sir, I am
Okay.
also
Sir,
I
I
am
know.
also facing the same problem.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
know.
We don't know how to rotate the, and we can
O-
find that part.
Sir,
Okay. Okay, no problem. In your device, swipe down to enter the notification area.
sir, I know how to rotate.
Okay. So you can type in the chat box so that everyone else can also understand the same. Or if anyone still faces issue, you can tell. Guys, now we are starting. So please keep your devices on mute.
Amazing.
Guys, has everyone watched the video?
Sir, voice was not there.
Uh,
Sir, please send a link करिए.
the link is in chat box. You can get it from there.
Sir, actually, my I
Can you
joined from
please
the
send it
PC,
again?
so
It's
you
okay.
can
It's
send
okay.
again.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've sent it again. Now we would be starting with the game. So as I like Steve, so I'll be selecting the character named Steve. So am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first level comes up here that you need
Yes, sir.
you need you guys mute yourself so that we can go ahead. You need supplies for the voyage ahead. Collect a boat from the chest. So this is the problem statement for us. So the rules of the game come up that these block you need to put these blocks together to solve the problem of moving the avatar forward towards the chest.
Yes, sir. I've done.
Okay. Let me try and tell everyone also. So one time move forward says that it will move one step, and if we put on another one, it goes twice. So let's start it by running the game. So good, good. Others also respond.
Sir, I
You're
have
free to
also
respond.
done.
Good. So now we come up to the second one.
Done, sir.
So okay. So in this statement, boards are much easier.
We're done.
Okay. 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 You can mute yourself. Let me once tell others also so that everyone can go together. Boats are much easier than swimming in open water. Head to the end of the dock to hop aboard. So in this level, we need to take the avatar towards the boat. Okay. So first of all, it's a trick that there we need to use only 5 blocks. So as one block is given, you can put on another block so that the level gets completed. So one time we'll move forward and then turn towards the right. Okay, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's try and run this. So now can everyone tell me that what would be our next step?
Sir, move forward.
Move
Now we
forward.
will, sir, we will move forward 2 times.
Sir, move forward, then go right.
And just forward.
Sir, we will move forward 2 times.
Okay, okay,
Sir, I am not able to get the chest.
okay. We'll come back to it afterwards.
Sir, I have done it.
Okay, so from next level, we need. I would like you to raise your hands before asking. Okay. If you want to answer any question, so you need to raise your hands and I'll call out the name. Okay. So now we would like to move forward. Let's try it. So we are one time ahead. Moving forward again.
What's this? A cave? Welcome, adventurers. My name is Squid. I noticed you were using the same set of commands over and over in some of the levels. It's a bit tiresome.
Okay. So now I am saying that you all guys have 10 minutes. You need to complete the third and fourth level on your own so that we can proceed. Keep your mics on mute. Once done, you can tell.
So what we have to do is grab the O's before we do.
Arzu, please mute yourself.
Guys, please mute yourself.
Done.
Okay.
I also know about loop. Due to I've seen a video.
Okay. Very good. That's really nice.
Sir, I have done third level.
I've got
Okay.
I've got a much fun. I'm getting the in this class.
Okay. Guys, do write in the chat box once your both the levels are done.
Sir, I have done the fourth level also.
Okay.
I have done till 6th level.
Okay. Yes, Sia.
खेलता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Sir, I've
having?
done the third level.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
ये फुल कंप्लीट करना है.
नहीं नहीं, आपको थर्ड एंड फोर्थ लेवल करना है, हम आपको आगे भी करवाएंगे.
तो वो मेरा हो चुका है. एक्चुअली आई एम ऑन 9th.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, यू कैन प्रोसीड.
सर मैं माइनक्राफ्ट नहीं खेलता.
कोई बात नहीं,
सर मैं फ्री फायर खेलता हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं आपको.
Sir,
कोई बात.
sir, thank you for these games. I feel it is very easiest for coding.
Okay, we will be playing another game also.
Thank you, sir.
So please send the link again. I disconnected.
It's okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am not able to do the fourth level.
Okay, I'll explain you how to do.
Sir, are we gonna do all the codes in Scratch?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Please write in the chat box whosoever is done with the fourth level also.
I don't know how to do the fourth level. Could you help me?
Okay, we'll do fourth level also.
Sir, can you help in level 3 too?
Yeah,
Sir,
sure,
can you
sure.
help me? I am not
We'll-
able to do the second level.
Okay, okay, we'll do. We'll come back to second level
I am also not able to
afterwards.
do second level.
Okay, we'll come back to second level also.
Sir, please help me in 6th level.
Guys, we will share you the answers after we are getting you the questions. So no worries. We will provide you with the answers if you are getting any issue.
Sir, I have done 5 levels.
Guys, now everyone should mute themselves. Don't
Sir, I
unmute
have
until
done
last.
4 levels.
सर मैं तो फ्री फायर खेल रहा हूँ मजे ले अपना. मन ठीक है.
Guys, now would be doing the third level. So in this level, we need to use the boat and go towards the salmon to catch the cod. So for this, we would be taking the boat forwards. So now it's in halfway. So we need to take it forward more. One more time. Let's move it forward again. So finally we are done with the third level also. All those who have had doubt in third level should be clear till now. So now we would be watching this tutorial for level 4. Okay guys, now we are up to the level 4. So in this level, the instruction says that let's feed the cord to the dolphin. Use a repeat until block to get across the ocean faster. So for doing this, we'll first of all analyze the situation. What's the situation exactly over there? So first of all, we need to move forward and let's try to run the code. So here the concept of conditional comes up, which says that when run, repeat until goal. The concept of looping also arises, that when we are until we reach the goal, we need to move forwards. So when we run the code, the boat goes towards the dolphin and the level gets completed. Okay. So now let's come up to the level 5. Guys, now you try this level and tell me that what's the status of this level on your end. If you guys have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. You guys are having 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, you can write your queries in the chat box. Chirag, we will provide you all the solutions for the all levels. So no need to worry. Guys, solutions would be provided to you. No worries. Guys, so let's start with level 6 now. I hope everyone has done, and those who are left can check their answers through the PDF provided by us. Ishan, you would be provided the PDF after the session. So here comes up the situation at level 6 that looks freezing out there. Catch a salmon on your way to the underwater ruins. So here we need to catch the salmon. So we would be using the concept of loops, that we need to repeat the same loop 3 times and move forward. Now let's try to run the code. Now our motto is to turn right. So we would be putting the turn right block. Now we need to go 3 times again forwards. So we would be doing the same twice. Let's try and run the same. Now the salmon is towards the left, so we would be going towards the left by turning towards left. Now the salmon is 3 times forward, so we would be putting a loop of repeat 3 times of moving forward. So guys, we are done with level 6. Loops can rather be confusing when it comes to complex cycles. We saw in the increasing levels the loops got bigger and more complex. But enough about the looping and cycles. What if we could define a word with a specific function, like what if we type print ABC and it actually prints it? Our next game will be based on the same, presented by Vasu. Vasu, you can take over now.
Sir, is it possible? How can I do it? The sixth level.
You will be provided by the PDF in our WhatsApp group, so stay tuned. Hello.
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 Yes,
Guys,
sir.
please mute yourself.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I am facing problem in level 8.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it is tough.
It's okay. We will be providing you with the PDF and the instructions are given in the game itself. So you can try with the same.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please send the link again. My meeting was disconnected.
Okay. Asu, are you there?
नहीं कर सकता. Hello. Yes.
Vasu, now you can take over.
Okay, so we are done with the first game. Great. So just give everyone 2 minutes to relax. They can just calm their mind because it was rather confusing game. So everyone, you have
Yeah.
2 minutes to just relax, and then we'll switch to the other game. Okay. Thank you. So guys, we are starting with the second game. It's Code Moji. I'm sending the link in the chat box. You are requested to just click on it and we'll start shortly. Hello. So guys, have you started the game? और वैसे ही पता नहीं क्या एकदम से म्यूट अनम्यूट अनम्यूट करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, मुझे लगा सर एकदम से अनम्यूट हो गया. Okay, great. So I'll just be presenting and explaining the rules to you. You can write in the chat box if you have any doubts, and if you are clear, you can type yes. So guys, our next game is Code Moji, which teaches us the concept of functions. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and have a high degree of code reusing. If we talk about an example, we have a name printf. It's a name of a function that prints according to the given demand. So functions are actually words that are used as a set of instructions. We'll now switch to the first level of the game. We'll see a function named rotate. If we use the function, it will rotate the given image by howsoever amount we want. So we'll just switch to the game. Mhm. So this is the first level, sorry. We have this function name rotate. It has been designed in such a way that if we use it, it will rotate the given panda by 90 degrees. So if we type here rotate and run it, you can see that the panda rotated by 90 degrees. If you have any doubts, you can just type. So is everything clear? If yes, then you can type yes in the chat box and then we can proceed. Great. So ba- what we got to know is that basically functions are a set of words that are designed for a specific purpose. In this second level, we have a function named translate. Let's see what happens if we use it. Right now, if we take the panda to be at the origin of a XY graph, it is at x equals 0 and y equals 0. It is shown here. Now, if we translate the panda, let's see what happens. The panda just moved 100 points on the x-axis and 100 points on the y-axis. We can ask the function to do anything. If we want, we can do it 100 and 200. But since we have been asked to move it by 100 points, for the question to be correct, we will use 100. But in general, we can use any value according to our need. Similarly, we have scale. So I request you all to just do the first 6 levels and tell me when you are done. Because all of them are similar, you have to use the function and know its functioning. If you have any doubts, you can write in the chat box. Amish Kumar, please stop your screen sharing. You are not allowed to play this game here.
Vasu, please remove him from the meet.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Now you can start it again.
Guys, you can try as many levels as you can. If there is any doubt, you can just stop there. We will be covering all the levels. Sukhdeep, just recheck the code. It's or you can just show me what you have written. You can write it in the chat box and we'll see what is wrong. And guys, there is a specific method to write the code. You have to include the brackets, the commas, and the parentheses as they are shown in the question. These are some specific guidelines that are predefined and we cannot change them. So just keep that in mind while you are writing. Once you are done with the 4 levels, you can write yes in the chat box and then we can proceed. That's great, Dhare, if you have done the 7th level as well. And Kabir, you can share your code in the chat box. We can see what is wrong in it. Just copy and paste it in the chat box. Kabir, the spelling of skew are wrong. It's SKEW, not SCEW. Just correct it. And Kabir, you just have to skew it, not rotate it. So Chirag, please don't share this. Whatever you are sharing, this is not acceptable here. So guys, I'm sharing the fourth level, the answer of it. You just have to so guys, my screen is visible to you all. If yes, you can just write yes in the chat box. Okay, thank you. So we have a function named skew. It will just squeeze the panda by 60 degrees for in the x and y axis. So we can ask the function to work by saying skew 60 for x axis, 60 for y, and the speed. And we have to include the brackets and parentheses as I asked you before, and run it. So this is the fourth level. If you still have any doubts about anything, you can write in the chat box. Chitra and Harry, you can write your doubts in the chat box if you have any. You have raised your hands. That's amazing to hear, guys. If you find it easy, that's so. I think it's time to go on the next level. So basically, guys, the method is same. We just have different functions who are performing different tasks for us. But in the end, the way we write it is same. So you just have to understand that how we have to write it and the steps involved in it. Rest, everything is same. So the first 7 levels are same for everyone. Just complete the 7 levels and you can type yes when you are done. For those who are not able to complete it, we'll surely get back to all the levels once again. Okay guys, so we will starting with the 8th level. It is something different. Now we'll understand that how a function can be changed according to our will. So you can see this triangle over here. It will tell us what to do with the function. Dharya, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. You can write in the chat box. So the 8th level is asking us to decrease the size of the panda by half. So we have to make changes in the function so that it becomes half of what it was before. So we have to change the amount from 1.5 to zero point 0.5. So we can change it from here and run it. Just drag the function they're asking you to use. You can check what function we have to use from here. The white triangle, it will tell you what to do. Now we see two new words in this in these lines. They are variables and strings. So variables are anything that can change its value according to our will, and a string is a combination of letters and punctuation marks. Like hello world, it's a string. So any sentence that doesn't have some specific, there are some things that we don't have to use in a string. So there's this difference between a sentence and a string, that strings cannot contain some things that are there in a sentence. Rest, a string is equal to a sentence. So we have to drag this queue function and change it according to what is asked. So the triangle asked us to skew the panda, and we changed the variables according to its will. So it and ran the code, so it went on well. Similarly, you have to solve all the levels. They are exactly the same. Now it will ask us to write. Now it is asking us to change hello world to my name is Panda. My name is Bamboo, sorry. So it just ran and it said my name is Bamboo. So you all can solve the next levels. They all are the same. And if you have any doubts, just write it in the chat box. And for those who have completed it, that's great. You just wait for some time. Guys, try to complete all the levels, and if you have completed it, you'll surely get a certificate for it. Guys, those who are completing the game can fill up the feedback form. It's important for you to fill it. Only those students will get a certificate, those who fill the feedback form. So if you have completed the game, you can just fill the form. I have sent the link in the chat box. If you can't access it, just write it in the chat box itself. Guys, just a second. If you can't access it, I'm just checking it. Guys, we have updated the permission. You can fill up the form now. Those who have filled up the form can leave the meet now. The event, we now conclude the event. We thank you all for giving up your precious time for this event, and we hope you enjoyed it. We are now closing the games, so if anyone is left with any level, they can try it later. Yes, you have to fill up the form. So guys, we have come to an end of this event. Gratitude is the fairest blossom that can ever bloom. As we come to an end to our games, we appreciate the vibrant participation of the schools and universities across India. We sincerely thank the faculty for cooperating and attending the event. Our heartfelt gratitude to the organizers and advisors who guided us and ensured an effortless experience throughout. Eventually, we thank the participants who participated and proved to be a fantastic audience. We hope the event was insightful and aroused some interest in the ways computers operate. In case of any doubts, feel free to contact us. Also, we have shared the feedback form in the chat box and we will sharing it in the WhatsApp group as well. You are you are requested to fill up the form to get the certificate. Thank you so much.